If you want me to hide my personality, I will do that. Hello, I'm Josh. I'm one of the co-founders here at Katto, and I'm stood here in the brand new Katto kitchen here in our studio in South London. Over the next few months, we've got some incredible chefs, restaurants, and cooks coming down here to cook with us. And to celebrate that, we want to give one lucky person an amazing prize, a full set of Katto knives. To take part, it's super simple. All you have to do is visit our website, katto.shop, pick out your favorite collection of knives and comment with the name of that collection in the comments below. To be eligible, you have to be over 18, you have to be living in the UK or mainland Europe, and most importantly, you have to be following us and subscribing not just to our YouTube channel, but also to our Instagram. We'll be announcing the winner on May the 31st, so thank you and good luck. Fine, excellent.